Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT, Pictory.ai and Speechelo to create automated videos and with the power of AI and upload them to your YouTube or all other social media platforms wherever you are and grow your channels and your subscriber base and your presence online. So guys, before we get right into it, if you guys get value from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps me a lot. It helps me to grow on YouTube, and it obviously helps me to spread the message and my videos as well to other viewers. So, guys, having said that, let's dive right into it. So, guys, here we are. So, this is ChatGPT, and this is Pictory.ai that we will use to convert our text into videos, and this is Speechlio that we are going to convert our text into voiceovers. Okay, so these are the three websites that we are going to use today. I'm going to show you how to use it. So what I was thinking is, let's write an article for a 30-second YouTube video about cryptocurrency, and we say go and let the AI do its magic. So now what ChatGPT is going to do is going to give us a small article, like a text, that we will use to make a video in Pictory.ai. So let's say, for example, we just copy the first half, stop generating. So let's just take this text here, let's copy it, and we go to Pictory.ai. Over here, this is an amazing software, guys. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And you can always have a free trial, and you can get the link down below in my video where you will get 20% off of your membership forever. So what you guys need to do is, obviously, to start, you don't even need a credit card or anything. You can always try it for free. I think it's for 7 days, which will be great for you guys. So once you have done that, just log in. So let it load. There you go. So this is where the magic happens. So we can change our script into videos. We can change the articles into videos. We can edit videos using text messages, oh sorry, texts, and we can visuals to videos. So these are the four main things that you can do with in Pictory.ai. So what are these recommended for? So the script to videos are recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides, and if you're making some blogs or press releases, any HTML articles, you just bring them here, paste them here, and add subtitles automatically if you have a video which you need to add subtitles to it, like captions and stuff like that. Cut portions of your video, create video highlights. So if you're making from your own videos on the YouTube, if you want to make take snapshots of it, like make small highlights, you can do that over here. You can add logos, intros, and outros. Create short videos using your existing images and video clips. So basically these are the four things, but what we are interested in today, obviously, that I'm going to show you is the first one, which is script to video. So let's press proceed. So the text that we copied, this is basically the script editor. So you can name over here, give it a name like what is cryptocurrency, and you bring your text here. It can be anything related to your video that you're working on, your project. So you paste it here. So once you've done that, you just press proceed, and then you see the magic that is going to happen, guys. So there are built-in templates that you can use. So in some of them, the text are smaller, bigger. You can always customize them anyway. Some of them have got text right at the bottom, some in the middle, some have got like highlighted backgrounds and stuff like that. There are like all different kinds of templates. Whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you think suits your video, you go with that one. Let's have a look what we are going to use. You can use any for the purpose of this video. So let's say we are going to go with subtle yellow. So let's select this one. Over here it's going to ask you guys what kind of screen aspect ratio you want. 16:9 is the one for YouTube, 9:16 is for like your Instagram reels, your TikToks and your YouTube shorts and stuff like that. So let's say 69 and continue. And please wait while the video storyboard is created. So now what it's going to do is it's going to take that text, create it into a storyboard, does all the editing, videos and everything else itself, as you can see. So it has bought all these stock images or videos itself. So once you're happy with that, then you can always proceed and generate. So if you go to the second one, see, now it already knows that we are talking about Bitcoin, so it brings the relevant stock images at the back. So once you have done that and you're happy with it, it's fine. You can always go and generate, or before you generate, you can preview it. And these are your scenes over here. And if you want to make the text larger, smaller, or whatever, you want to change the fonts, whatever. Like there's so many different things that you can do with this. And you got your visuals here. If you want to add yourself something, you can add more elements. You can add stickers, gifs, emojis, whatever you want. You can play around with it and make your videos absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's, for the sake of this video, let's just keep it here, and we go to, let's say, preview, and it's going to generate a preview for us. There you go. So cryptocurrency has been growing in popularity. So it's showing, like, you can see that the videos that it has and the stock images that it is using is absolutely relevant. And over here you just press generate, and you will generate your video. But before we do that, as I told you, we'll obviously need the voiceover as well. So you can add voiceover here, but to add the voiceover, obviously you'll have to go to Speechelo, which is also a lifesaver. Since I've started using this, it's absolutely brilliant, guys. Like if you have a faceless YouTube channel, you can use this. If you want any kind of voiceovers, you can always use this. As all you have to do is bring that text, and obviously first you have to make your account, and then to make your account, I'll leave a link below. Use that link and you will be getting discounts, and I will be getting a little bit of affiliate commission as well, which will help me as well. Thank you very much for that in advance. Okay, so if we bring in the text and put it here, and all we have to do, like these, there are some voices which are free, and some of them are like 4 pros. Like if you want like the free version, then just go with the voices which are for free. So you can preview the voice. If you just click it, it's just gonna play this thing. But obviously I've already tried it, so I'm just gonna go and generate the voiceover. So it's gonna generate the voiceover for us. There you go, it's ready. All you have to do is just play, and you can check.
Cryptocurrency has been growing in popularity and adoption over the last decade.
If you're happy with it, just close it and download it. So once you download it, you can obviously upload it into the Pictory.ai. So you bring it here, you upload the voiceover, and there you go. You can bring it here, downloads, voice. So once your voiceover is here, you can do the entire video. Now it's going to sync it. Yeah, so I'm not gonna, yeah, let's wait. Actually, it's not taking very long, which is good.
Cryptocurrency has been growing
So
in
once you've done that,
popularity and adoption
now
over
you
the
can
last decade. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency,
yeah, it's
was
been synced
created in
absolutely perfectly
2009.
fine, no issues at all. So once you're happy, you just click generate, and it's going to generate the video for you guys. So as I said, this is a lifesaver, guys, and if you guys want to, please try it. The trial period is, I think, 7 days, which is absolutely free. You don't even need your credit card or anything, and I'll leave a link down below in the description, so you guys can get yourself a discount. So this is for that, and this obviously is also very, very nice software. If you do a lot of voiceovers and stuff like that, you don't have to keep on purchasing time, because some softwares you have to keep on purchasing time, like you purchase an hour for $3 or $4, and once your hour is finished, then you go again and you buy again for the voiceovers. But this one is absolutely, once you buy your membership, once you get it, then you can use either AI voice, or you can use your standard voice. You have like different countries, different accents wherever you are from, like German, Greek, I don't know, American, Australian, or Welsh, or whatever. You just can go here, and you can always preview the voices that you want, and you can generate your voiceovers. This is also a very fabulous software, guys. Do give it a try, and I'll leave the link for it as well down below. um, and I think that's it from me, guys. All you have to do is just go to ChatGPT. I'm just going to summarize it now. So go to ChatGPT, generate some nice ideas for your videos, for whatever you want to do. Take it to Pictory.ai, convert that text into that script into your videos, get your voiceover from Speechelo, and there you have it. Your video is ready. If you guys need any other help, anything else, please do write it down in the comments, and I will try and help you guys as much as I can. And until I see you guys next time, thank you very much and enjoy. Bye bye.